Love is not just an emotion. It is a connection we learn to build.
Think of Quick Mask Mode as painting your selections instead of drawing them. Press Q on your keyboard and your canvas gets a red translucent overlay. Grab a brush. Anywhere you paint black becomes selected when you exit. Paint white to deselect. It's like coloring inside the lines, except the lines define what Photoshop will affect next. This is incredibly useful for organic shapes. Think wisps of smoke, flowing fabric, or tree branches. Adjust brush hardness for softer or sharper selection edges. When you're done, press Q again. The red overlay disappears and marching ants appear exactly where you painted. It's selection making at its most intuitive and hands-on.